Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to play Brawlhalla with controller on PC or fix the controller that is not working. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do, if you haven't already, is click the Play Now options. These are the platforms where you can play Brawlhalla with controller on PC. Of course, that's going to be on desktop using Steam, Ubisoft Connect, or Epic Game Store. And by following the on-screen instructions, we're good to go. Now, once you are logged in, playing Brawlhalla with a controller on your PC can enhance your gaming experience. And here's a guide on how to set up and troubleshoot your controller if there's going to be an error that you can't control it, alright? Now, the first thing is go to this Steam option on the upper left corner. Click on Settings. Now, once you do that, all you're going to do is hover to the controller option. That's going to be on the left side panel of your dashboard. And here's going to be the controller settings. Now, as you can see, I haven't connected any controllers yet. So you're going to be able to identify if there's an error on the controllers, all right? But of course, these are the options that you can switch on. For example, you can enable Steam input for Xbox controllers. All right, switch on that. Now, for the PlayStation controller support, as you can see, there's going to be three options: not enabled, enabled in games without support, or enabled. Of course, all I'm going to do is enable that. You need to also enable Steam input for Switch Pro controllers, and for the input for generic controllers such as arcade stick or fight stick, and turn off controllers when exiting big picture mode. All right, you also have an option to idle gamepad, shut down timeout. But again, if you need some extended feature support drivers for your Xbox, just click on the install. And again, you also have an option for the non-game controller layouts for the desktop and the guide button cord layout. Once you do that, try to restart your computer or your PC and try to restore your Brawlhalla game to see if the controller is working out. Now, you might need some troubleshooting guidelines or help from the Brawlhalla support. And from here, click on the support for unique controllers and click on next. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions. All right, these are going to be the technical support guidelines on which you can, of course, troubleshoot the controller that is not working on your Brawlhalla. Right, just click on next, and after that you should be able to play Brawlhalla with your controller and PC and troubleshoot any issues that arise. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.